Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate voice to text on Android. So if you are too lazy maybe to write a message and you want to just talk with your voice to write the text, you can just enable the voice to text on your Android phones. So here what you need to do is just go to the settings on your phone and then just scroll down or just find the languages and input settings on your phone. You can use the search column, and here I'm going to just scroll down, and then here this is under the system menu on my phone. So it might be different on your phone, but you can just find these languages and input settings. So click on that, and here click on the keyboard that you are currently using. So click on the on-screen keyboard, tap on manage on-screen keyboards, and in here this is the keyboard that I currently using. I'm using the emoji keyboard, the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, and here if you want to activate the voice to text, you need to enable or activate this Google Voice typing. So just click on this. So you need to reboot. You can just click on OK after this. And if you want to use this, for example, I want to write a message with just a voice to text, so you can just click on the text box and then click on this microphone icon. Then you can just talk like this. You can see it will detect my voice and it will write it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.